بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My dear friends, hope you all are fine today, and I am very happy to see you again. So let's begin with our lesson number 7. Okay, in previous video we have completed lesson number 6, hence let's proceed to lesson number 7. Ismul Isharah. It is called as demonstrative pronoun in English. Okay, now in this lesson we are going to study the feminine form of Ismul Ishara lil Ba'id. We are going to study this, but for our convenience and for our understanding and for our remembrance, I have made this chart so that all these terms and all these words, means demonstrative pronouns, get fixed into our minds. Okay, Ismul Ishara, demonstrative pronoun. Okay, lil muzakkar means for masculine. Okay, which one for masculine? For lil qarib, for the near location, it is haza. Okay, when we talk about muannath, okay, and location near, then it is hazihi. Both are translated as this. Okay, and next is Ismul Ishara lil Muzakkar lil Baqid. Okay, for the object or the person which is far. Okay, so Muzakkar form is Zalika and Muannas form is Tilka. So in this lesson we are going to focus on this. This is new for us. Okay, apart from this, these will also be used, but this is new for us.